Imagine holding a rope. The rope is attached to something that is pulling away from you. It pulls harder and harder. The rope burns your hands. Your skin is tearing. You are in pain, but you refuse to let go. This is what most of us do with our past, our losses, and our expectations. We think that holding on makes us strong, but the Stoics knew the truth. Strength is not in holding on. Strength is in letting go. Here is how to release the burden and find freedom. Lesson 1. Realize it was never yours. Epictetus taught a harsh but liberating truth. He said, "Never say of anything, 'I have lost it,' but 'I have returned it.' Did your child die? It was returned. Did your fortune disappear? It was returned. Everything you have, your body, your money, your family, is a loan from nature. You are not the owner. You are just a traveler passing through. When you understand that life is a rental, you don't cry when the lease is over. You are grateful that you got to stay there for a while." Lesson 2. The Broken Cup. Epictetus used a simple example. He said, "If you're kissing your child or your wife, say that it is a human being you are kissing. For when the wife or child dies, you will not be disturbed." This sounds cold, but it is deep love. It means love them, knowing they are fragile. Love them, knowing they are mortal. Don't wait for the glass to break to realize its value. Accept that everything is temporary, and you will cherish every second of it. Lesson 3. The Open Hand. You cannot catch anything new with a closed fist. If your hand is tightly gripping the past, you cannot receive the future. The Stoics believed in flow. Life is a river. If you try to hold on to the water, it slips through your fingers. But if you dip your hand in and let it flow, you feel the water. Stop trying to freeze time. Let the dead leaves fall so the new ones can grow. Look at your hands. Are they burning? Whatever you are holding onto, let it go. Drop the rope. The pain will stop instantly, and you will finally be free.